Say hi, Tess. Lydia, I'll give you a box of goldfish if you say hi, Tess.
They're on sale, buy one get one free right now.
Say hi, Tess. Say hi, Tess. Why are you being camera shy? Say hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Say hi, Tess. I won't stop if you don't say hi, Tess. One time. Say Tess. That's our fat cat. Hey.
No.
Just once.
No.
Can you just say hi? How about Aunt Becky? You're good at that. Say Aunt Becky and I'll get you up there. I'll put you up there and give you a box of goldfish if you say hi, Tess. Hi, Tess. Say feel better. Say feel better. That works. Say love you. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye again. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Okay.